Hello friends, I'm back with another video. In this video, we will be talking about useful verbs. I hope you enjoy it. Stay with me. Useful verbs. To hear. To perceive sound through the ear. I can hear music from the other room. Refers to perceiving sound. To listen. To actively pay attention to sound or speech. Please listen carefully to the instructions. Refers to focusing on a sound. To see. To perceive with the eyes or notice visually. I see the mountains from my window. Refers to visually noticing something. To look. To direct one's gaze towards something. Look at the sky, it's so clear. Refers to focusing one's eyes on something. To watch. To observe something carefully or attentively, especially over a period. We watch TV every evening. Refers to closely observing something over time. To touch. To come into physical contact with something. Please don't touch the artwork. Refers to making physical contact. To feel. To sense by touch or emotion. I can feel the warmth of the sun. Refers to sensing either physically or emotionally. To talk. To speak in order to communicate with someone. We need to talk about the project. Refers to engaging in a spoken conversation. To call. To contact someone by phone or shout for attention. I'll call you later. Refers to contacting someone by phone or attracting attention. To like. To enjoy or find something pleasing. I like this song a lot. Refers to finding pleasure in something. To love. To have a deep affection for someone or something. I love spending time with my family. Refers to having strong affection. To hate. To feel intense dislike or aversion towards something or someone. I hate waking up early. Refers to having strong negative feelings about something. To know. To be aware of something through experience or information. I know the answer to this question. Refers to having knowledge of something. To learn. To acquire knowledge or skills through study or experience. She is learning to play the piano. Refers to gaining new knowledge or skills. To ask. To inquire or request information or something from someone. Can I ask you a question? Refers to making an inquiry or request. To study. To apply oneself to learning a subject or skill, often through reading or research. I need to study for the exam. Refers to dedicating time to learning. To teach. To impart knowledge or skills to someone else, typically in a structured manner. She teaches math at the university. Refers to helping others learn. To need. To require something because it is essential or very important. I need more time to finish the project. Refers to requiring something necessary. To want. To desire or wish for something. I want a new phone. Refers to having a desire for something. To share. To give a portion of something to others or use something together. Let's share this pizza. Refers to dividing and giving a portion of something to others. To put. To place something in a particular position or location. Please put the book on the table. Refers to placing an object in a specific spot. To prepare. To make something ready for use or action. I need to prepare dinner for tonight. Refers to getting something ready. To plan. To arrange or organize something in advance. We plan to go on vacation next month. Refers to organizing actions in advance. To explain. To make something clear or easy to understand by describing it in detail. Can you explain how this works? Refers to clarifying information for better understanding. To fill. To make something full or occupy a space with something. Please fill the glass with water. Refers to occupying a container or space. To fly. To move through the air, typically by using wings, or to travel by airplane. We will fly to New York next week. Refers to moving through the air or traveling by plane. To get. To obtain, receive, or come into possession of something. I got a new phone for my birthday. Refers to obtaining or receiving something. To become. To begin to be something or undergo a change or development. She became a doctor after years of study. Refers to changing or transitioning into a new state. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video. By subscribing, you won't miss any of our educational content. Support me by liking the videos, sharing them with your friends, and sharing your thoughts and questions in the comments. Let's learn together.